stop. Oh, this is the plan that I am following, the design that I am following, and this is how I am making now. Now I'm making the holes. Yeah, with these tools, which in making the holes, and then I have to check here the position of the holes before making. Yeah. So this is the plastic one. This is how the powertrain look like. This is a plastic one. Now I want to make it with metal, aluminum. So this is the plastic one. It looks like this. But I will try to make the same, but with aluminum. It is metal. Okay, there I have the tools here on my table. You see, I have the tools. I also have some stuff there. I have two motor, gear motor. This is one gear here. You place one gear here, place another gear here. So, and the chain will come here. So, one gear here, and the chain will come here. Yeah. And this is the wheel for the chain. Yeah, that's the wheel for the chain. So now, I'm going to cut it with fix, and then we see. I'm going to cut the plate. I use this to cut the plate. To cut here, I cut the plate. So, see you. Now the part that cut. Let me make the shape. Now we will try to make the shape for and the holes to fix it together. So let's go. It's method to make the arm. This method I cut with this machine. Yeah. To make the arm. Now I want to fix the holes and the screws to fix this ring inside. Yeah, this is the stand that I'm making now using these tools.